Hi everybody, Andrew Cherin, attorney at law. I am a Seattle personal injury lawyer and I represent people who have been injured in car accidents, and today I want to talk to you about insurance coverage and what does what. So everybody gets insurance for their car, and not a lot of people know exactly what insurance does what. So I want to kind of take this episode to give a chance to explain what does what and what medical insurance or what you can do for your treatment, etc., following a car accident injury case. So most people get liability insurance. Liability insurance covers you if you injure someone else in a car accident or you damage someone else's property. In that case, your insurance company will step in and pay for anything that you caused done up to the policy limits in those situations. The next insurance coverage is collision coverage. So collision coverage covers you, your vehicle, if you, however, you get damage to your car. So if you cause a car accident, you're covered. If you someone else hits you, you're covered, and that just means your insurance company will pay for the repairs to your car, no matter what. If it's your fault or it's someone else's fault, you go through your insurance company, they're going to pay for the damage and the repairs. Or anything else that's done to your car, such as if it's totaled, they're going to pay you out the total value of your car, etc. The next coverage I want to talk about is comprehensive coverage. Comprehensive covers all other damage to your car incidental to a collision. So window repairs, window damage, anything else that comes into contact with your car, vandalism, etc. That your insurance company will step in those situations and pay for the repair or damage that's done to your car by vandalism, rocks hitting your window, etc. The next insurance coverage is PIP. PIP insurance is personal injury protection. Personal injury protection is required in Washington State. However, you can sign that away with a waiver and not have it. Personal injury protection covers your medical insurance, lost wages, and anything else incidental to services that are required because you were injured in a car accident. The policies are $10,000 all the way up to $100,000 for PIP insurance. PIP insurance will pay for any medical bills, including hospital, chiropractor, massage, physical therapy, family doctors, specialists, surgeries, etc. It'll cover it all up to that policy limit number, whether it's 10,000, 100,000, etc. Whatever you get it up to, and you pay annually for that. That's a great coverage to have if you're injured in a car accident, because it pays for the medical bills up front. Not a lot of people know this, but if you're injured in a car accident, the defendant's insurance is not going to pay for your medical bills up front. They're going to give you one lump sum settlement that's going to cover all your medical bills, your lost wages, your pain and suffering, etc. In just one check. That's all they're going to do. They will not pay as you go. So try as you may, you're not going to get that. There are two exceptions though. If you're a pedestrian or if you are riding a bicycle at the time of the collision, the defendant's insurance will provide you with a PIP insurance up to whatever was on the car. So if the person driving the car had $10,000 in PIP, they'll give you $10,000 in PIP, etc. So that's a great policy to have if you have car insurance. It's really inexpensive, and it's not very expensive at all. It's like as little as like $10 or $15 a month. Another policy you want to get is UIM insurance. UIM insurance is underinsured or uninsured motorist. It covers you in case you're injured in a car accident with someone that doesn't have insurance or has very little insurance. It steps in the place of the defendant and covers all your pain and suffering, medical bills, lost wages, etc. So for instance, as a personal injury lawyer, the insurance company, if you have UIM insurance and the defendant doesn't have insurance or doesn't have enough insurance to cover your damages, I will approach the UIM policy just like I would the defendant's insurance and try to negotiate a settlement on your behalf with them. And they'll try to use anything that the defendant could have used to defend their case and prove that you weren't as injured as you are, or you weren't injured in the car accident at all, or that you caused the car accident, or you had some attributing fault to the car accident as well. So a UIM policy is a great policy to have. Medical insurance, now this is outside. Let's say you don't have any of these policies and stuff to pay for the car accident injuries, and there's only liability insurance on the other side. Medical insurance is a great thing to have to step in and pay for your treatment as you go, because, like I said earlier, you're not going to get your treatment paid for by the defendant's insurance until the end of the settlement. So medical insurance in a lot of situations will step in and pay for it. Another option you have is a lien. A lot of chiropractors and doctors and hospitals even will allow you to accrue bills through a lien if you sign something saying that you'll pay them back out of the settlement. And usually it requires you and your attorney to sign it, so I would have to sign it as well. But that's a great option as well if you don't have any money and you need the treatment. I hope you guys have found this video very informative. If you want to learn more information, visit my website, www.lawcherin.com. And if you've been injured in a car accident, I give free consultations. My number is 206-850-6716.